Everyone, in this video I'll be explaining and demonstrating on how to use the basic WordPress tool. As we can see here, this is the dashboard of the WordPress application. It is filled with information and much content for the user's analytical purpose. On the top right corner here, we can actually manage the content to be viewed or hidden upon preference. You can see here, if I were to tick or untick this box, there are changes made here in the bottom to hide or show the content for the users. But if we were to have a much more simplified version of the dashboard, we can simply just click on this button. It will bring us to a simplified version one, which we are able to only access to the view side, manage pages, and change of design, and also like to move to different plugins and application install as well, but it does not fill us with too much content. So next I'll be explaining the difference between what are the difference between pages and content. For pages, it is basically static. It doesn't change much, so therefore there is no need of categorizing them or tagging them to have them organized. It is basically made organized on how you arrange them, so it is pretty self-explanatory. It's only for the navigation and information purpose. For posting, it will be the difference for posting is that it is basically mainly used in blogging. It is a blog post. It has a lot of content. It has to be categorized and be tagged sometimes for like filtering purpose for the user's convenience. So therefore I'll not be showing much about pages, but instead for the post I'll be like showing some of the example on how it works and what are the effect like made to them. As you can see here, this is our home, and let's move to the month page. This is like pages. Here we have like the mix content here in this page, and here I have different category. I made a May category and a June category. So for May category, it is also like shown here the content that you have made. All this can be done through the menu, which I'll be showing later. So if I were to go to May, it is only filled with the content of May and June respectively. Then to show like how it really make changes, let me just try to add a new content. And then publish it. It's published. Let's view the post. It is here. It is not categorized, therefore it is on another let me just click on here. It will be on the page of the month section, but it is not like within May or either June. Okay, so let me just move back to our customizer, our tools. Let me go to the post. Let's play around a little bit. Here you can see the category. It is uncategorized, therefore it is but it is still within the page here. So in order to change the category, let's just click the quick edit button here, and if you want to put them in May or June respectively, you can just click on the box and then update them, and I believe changes will be made effectively. Just move to May. As you can see here, the new post is now in the May category. Just simple as that. If you were not to use them, we can just simply throw them away, which is delete, trash. And for now it's gone. Let me just move to like all the content, and here with effect, the post. Oh yeah, I click on the post. I'm sorry. As you can see, it is gone in this section. So that's basically it for the creating and organizing the categories of the post. But in order to have a much more better organization, we can use the interesting feature here, which is the menu. As you can see here, menu, we are able to make like the adding new menu pages, or even like posts which has been created, and organize them in much more effective way and easier way, I would say. So let me just start with making a new page. Sorry, let me just start to have the month add to the menu. Okay, this is basically the latest one which I have made. Let me just change them to okay, sorry, let me just move the custom link, and then let's see, new month. Okay, and then this custom link is added to the menu, which you're able to modify and organize them effectively. So as you can see here, if I were to move this new month here, and let me save the menu, and let's see, let's refresh the page. As we can see, the new month is added into the subcategory of month. So that's how we make a new month, and to organize them you can just simply drag and drop. And if we were to put one under a subcategory, you just put them like slightly towards the right, which is like automatically if you were to hover them. If I were to hover this under the May, which is slightly towards the right under the May category, and then let me just save them and refresh them. You can see here the new month is right now under the May category. So before this, I make this as a custom link, for the fact that if we were to have a category, or basically like a pointer, but it is not pointing towards anywhere, it is just like a plain, not a working one. So we can just like put a hashtag, and then just give it a name, and basically you're able to create this non-working button, I would say, which is for like specific use purpose. If you were to like have, for example, this month here, because it is like filled with like mix of content, and I don't want to show it to the user. I want it to be organized only when they access the May or June category respectively. Then I will have to, let me just try to show you an example. Let me just remove this one, and then let me just add a new one, which is month. Okay, now I have added this one here. Just move it top, save menu. Here we go, we have the plain month here, but as you can see, when I click on the plain month, it is not bringing me to another page, in difference with the home or this month button here, category here in the menu which I have made. So depends on the preference and the purpose, you are able to customize them to use it in a much effective way. So for this video, that's about it. Thank you so much.